This video is going to show you how to use formulas and a scatter plot in Excel to look at data and discover things about it. We have some data from Bob's Ice Cream Shop. We have temperature and the sales. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the mean or average temperature. The first thing we do is go to formulas and then more functions, statistical, and click on average. I'm just going to highlight my data and then I'm going to say OK, and it gives me the average of the temperature. The next thing I want is the median. I'm going to do the same thing. These are in alphabetical order, so I can just go down to the M's and find median. Now I'm going to highlight my data, say OK, and I have the median. The mode, you're going to go to statistical, go down, and I'm going to use the single mode. Either one will give you a mode. I'm going to highlight the data, click OK, and there's my mode. To do the same thing for sales, I'm going to go back to formulas, more functions, statistical, click average, and then I'm going to highlight the sales data. The median will be the same thing. I'm going to go down to median, highlight the sales data, say OK, mode, same thing, statistical, go down to mode. I'm going to pick single mode, highlight the data, say OK. Now I have all of my sales information in my chart. The next thing I want to create is a scatter plot. The easiest way to do this is to highlight your data and then go to Insert and find the scatter plot chart. It's right here at the bottom. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click the first one. It created my scatter plot. So now I'm going to just move this over so you guys can see everything on one page. Here is my scatter plot. I can put in a chart title if I would like. So temperature versus sales. I can add more information here if I would like by using my Add Chart Elements tab, and I could put titles on the horizontal axis. Here I could add temperature, and then if I want one on the other axis, I can come over here and then I can type on this one, and this one is going to be sales. It's always good to label your data so you know what you did. If I would like to make a trend line here, I click on a dot, add a trend line, and I'm going to add a linear trend line. And if you look at this now, we have a line that shows what happens. If we look at this data, we can see as the temperature goes up, the sales go up. It's not super consistent, but it does do that fairly consistently. I hope this helps. Thank you.